Welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and we have an unboxing from America. So let's just jump straight on in. Hopefully, I've got no idea how to open this one. Oh, here we go. Whoops. Right there, we have our peanuts. Righty-o. Hope I know what these are. Out you come. So, use blade banks. A little sticker there. You go onto there. So you put the used blade down in there and away you go. So this was for Palmolive, obviously, back in the day. So you could mount that on the wall. That's pretty nifty, isn't it? Magnificent. Put that like that. Here's the one I was really after. And I just got sucked into the rest. There you go. Blue Gillettes. Made in England. Used blade there. So this is what I was really chasing. That might clean up a bit too. Bit of luck without damaging the paint job on it. So there you have it. Just a short and sweet unboxing today. So yeah, I've just got sucked into these little tins. So I've got a few more on the way, but yeah, I don't know how many are out there. So hopefully not too many. Okay people, enjoy your day. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now.